In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import videos in CapCut PC. Whether you're working on a creative project, editing a vlog, or just exploring the world of video editing, knowing how to import your footage is the first and most essential step. CapCut is a versatile and user-friendly tool, perfect for both beginners and experienced editors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to bring your video files into the software, so you can start editing without any confusion or wasted time. And if you're new to CapCut, don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way. If you don't already have CapCut installed, make sure to download and set it up. You'll find a link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, launch CapCut on your PC. Before we begin, it's important to ensure that the software is already installed and updated to the latest version. This guarantees that you're working with a fresh and fully functional workspace, free from any potential bugs or outdated features. Once the program is open, you can either start a new project or open an existing one. The great thing about CapCut is that the process of importing videos is the same, whether you're starting from scratch or continuing work on a previous project. So choose whichever option suits your needs, and let's move forward. Now let's locate the media panel. This is where all of your imported files will be stored before you add them to the timeline for editing. In the main CapCut interface, you'll typically find the media panel on the top left side of your screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will be your hub for managing all of your video clips and other assets throughout the editing process. Next, let's move into the process of importing your videos. In the media panel, you'll notice a blue import button. Clicking this button will open up the File Explorer, allowing you to browse through your folders and locate the video files you want to import. Alternatively, if you already have some media present in the panel, you might also see a smaller import button in the same area. Both options work the same way, so choose whichever one is visible to you. Once the File Explorer pops up, browse through your folders to find the video files you'd like to bring into CapCut. If you're working with multiple clips, you can save time by importing them all at once. To do this, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and click on each file you want to select. This batch import method is especially handy for larger projects with several clips. After selecting your files, click the Open or Import button in the File Explorer. This will load the selected videos into CapCut. Keep in mind that loading times can vary depending on the size and number of your video files, so don't worry if it takes a moment. Now, once the video thumbnails appear in the media panel, you'll know that the import process is complete. If you don't see them right away, give it a few seconds to finish loading. With your videos successfully imported, it's time to add them to your timeline. The timeline is located at the bottom of the screen and serves as the workspace where you'll arrange and edit your clips. To begin, simply drag and drop your chosen video clips from the media panel into the timeline. You can place them in the order you want and start arranging them to match your creative vision. Once your clips are in the timeline, you can adjust their order as needed to prepare for trimming, adding transitions, or any other edits you have in mind. This is the foundation of your project, so take a moment to set everything up just the way you need it. And that's it. You've now learned how to import videos into CapCut on your PC, from launching the software, locating the media panel, importing your files, and placing them into the timeline. You're ready to begin editing your project. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.